Ajim Premji. How many people live? Ajim
Yes, sir.
Premji.
Yes,
Wipro.
Wipro founder.
Wipro founder. How simple that person. Even today also, he is traveling in economy only. In economic coaches only. Either in the flight or next Bill Gates. If you observe Bill Gates, how simple that person.
Yes, sir. Even
Next,
Narayan
even in
Murthy, sir,
flights also.
actually, in
Yeah,
my school, actually, we were staying in that area during school. So very close only, there were this one. So they're so simple, at least. See, you don't believe such a big founder, they're living in 30, 40 house. Simple, very small, 1,200 square feet house. Very simple
yeah,
living and that kind of thing earlier. I mean, even that time also Infosys was in a very top.
yes,
So very simple lifestyle. Sudha Murthy, I think his wife and all. Very
yes,
simple, very humble, kind of thousands of crores. We don't get to see that kind of show. So, yeah, yes, sir.
correct. Sudhamurthy. Yeah, Ajim Premji. Traveling in very economical, very simple person. Ratan Tata, have you observed, right? Next to Bill Gates, have you observed, right? So, it doesn't, this person not having the rich car, this person not having the bracelet, this person not having ornaments, this person not using branded shirts. Don't feel. That is not his richness. That is not his wealth. The wealth is the different, show off is the different. Show off, there is no use at all. Simplicity is the best ornament for any person. Remember that.